What food should be avoided when you eat out? I mean, obviously alcohol, this decreases the healing and slows the recovery process. It also increases inflammation, impairs muscle protein synthesis, which slows the body's ability to build muscle. We want to kind of avoid very high fat meals. We talked about that if you've seen our pregame meal video. Meals with cream sauces, meals with a lot of cheese, or high fat meats, things like sausage, regular beef that are not lean. These are things that sit in the gut a long period of time, but also, if you're trying to maybe watch your weight, watch your body fat, these are things that we want to try to limit and avoid. Deep fried foods, these are things that cause inflammation, can contribute to insulin resistance, meaning your body's ability to utilize blood sugar and glucose can become impaired, and this maybe slows the body's ability to replace glycogen, which slows the recovery process. Anything like empty calories, so anything fried, battered, crispy, breaded, sweetened, these are all things that added calories that have no nutritional value, and it'll just add a lot of calories to your meal without any value to that will provide nutrients. So again, one of the key things we recommend is to look at that menu before going out to eat and see if you're going to know before you even get there, because if you walk into that place super hungry, you have a higher chance of maybe choosing something that you're probably not going to want to eat and feel good after you consume that meal.